Okay, part 8 to the Hellcat Cuda build. It's been a long evening, started earlier this afternoon. We got the twin disc clutch put in, and the clutch is called a Sinister 10.5. A lot of this stuff came out of Silver Sport. It's the place where it was all picked up for transmission stuff. It was a QuickTime bell housing, and we mounted the T56 on it. We had a little bit of difficulty trying to get the transmission mounted onto the bell housing. We were fighting a couple things here, but by the time we got done, we finished, and we determined that it was the throwout bearing spring inside. There's just a lot of tension on it. That last half an inch or so where we were mating up with the bell housing was really difficult. So we had to do a little bit of creative stuff and in order to get it all matched up and not bust anything off. So from end to end, by the time we did measurements on the throwout bearing and all of that, it's probably in the area of about 7 hours total. The next thing that'll probably get done is start getting ready to fit it up in here and get the tunnel figured out so we can clear the transmission. It's obviously going to be a 6-speed, so we'll have to do a little bit of creative work here, cutting, trying to get everything to clear and get it in there and get it mated up the way it's supposed to. Also added a torsion bar here on the front for the suspension, so everything's coming along really good. So we'll keep you updated and stay tuned, and we'll start covering getting it up in there and getting things trimmed up and cut up so we can get it mounted in the engine bay. Thanks for watching.